I speak from the bottom of this here. My heart beats the rhythm that is sampled from DJ Premier. Try to expand my mind, so I look to the clear. Heaven is on my shoulders, so why should I fear anything other than living forever? See, life's dear. I sign the bottom of the page, I know there's something better. Travel the path I chose, but at the fork in the road, call upon the Most High, cause he decides where I go. I never read the Bible, but I hold beliefs close. Stayed away from the church, the cemetery had ghosts. Never push religion on anyone, I'm not the president. I push a little album on the streets trying to represent good nature. Mama doesn't take no mess. Pushes air in my lungs, waste breath with cigarettes. I can't stop smoking, an archangel with flaws. Lost my wings in the travel, nothing cushioned my fall. But I kept on moving, gotta love me for that. My pulpit is the stage and my sermons for rap. We're running this movement, speak on love, give daps. We keep moving up, never stop to look back.
And everything's love, 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 everything's love.
Let's go, escapade on the street of parade. Put me in your headphones, the world looking like charades. Physically I'm 5'10", my mind's expanded. I won't be in my prime until I visit new planes. Nothing in life is by accident, it's all planned and written in stone that everybody has to banish. The way we fuck the planet causing future damage. The earth needs restoration, watch it wash us away. Corporate America treats me like I'm outcasted, cause I stand outside the circle doesn't mean I'm astray. Nah, only means I'm not a follower, a fellow man, I'm a leader. I was born this way, back in the day, same shit, different way. Folks was getting hung at high noon, now they call it lunch break. Let's break this cycle, snap ropes, cut chains. Network our knowledge, peace gangs and make change.
And everything's love, 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 everything's love.